Good day, everyone, and it's another unboxing day here at Mommy Guide Inc. For those who are new to my channel, I am Mommy Lala. Today is another unboxing day, and what we're going to be doing now is unboxing the Klima kit from Pluzzle by Nizza. Let's start. Okay, so this amazing kit. Okay, I will put it down in the description below how much this amazing kit looks like. So imagine how big. Okay, the container is it's a bag. It's a transparent see-through bag with a very cool retro-looking handle. Okay, so the thing is, I had Miss Nizza by Pluzzle by Nizza. A few, I think in January, back in January. Okay, so we had her for Bujo journaling, but then um we had a little bit of a tech issue, so we weren't able to actually finish up with that episode. So we will be having her back again. But during that episode, I was able to be one of the first recipients of a preview of what this kit would look like. All right, so let's start. So this now part of the kit came yesterday. Again, for those who have actually also, subscribed to this kit, some of you probably might have received it already, and some might be on their way. Okay, so just wait. Okay, so there's I think a schedule every day for release for different parts of the metro or the Philippines, right? So yesterday was my schedule. All right. So again, I really love this bag. So let's go over the contents of the bag. Okay, the first part. Okay, so Clima. Welcome to your Clima Self-Love Journal Kit. Lala, you are appreciated. First of all, Puzzle by Nizza wants to congratulate you on taking the first step to a more self-loving future. In this booklet, you'll find guides on how to use your kit. You will also get to know your Klima girls. We hope that this helps you celebrate diversity and self-love. This kit aims to help you start your self-love journey with the little habits that you can build and stick to. And then thanks. Okay. What's in your Klima kit? Handmade journal, affirmations, personalized mug, stickers, how to build self-care habits, where you start, follow through, continue, and track. Okay, and meet the Klima girls. So you have Vyasha, Essen, Kesa, and Talvi. Alright, so those are the Klima girls for this kit. Okay, Klima means climate, are girl stickers from Pluzzle that aims to celebrate self-love and diversity. You are unique. Okay, so this is Vyasna. Okay, and it came with some other stickers to coordinate with your journal. Okay, and then we have the next Klima lady, Essen. Okay, so it tells you who Essen is, and then a different sticker that coordinates with Essen, and then meet Summer. All right, there's Summer. And then there's Talvi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, again, and then 1, 2, 3 stickers. And these are the Klima girl stickers celebrating diversity and self-love. This very special mug has your name on it as well as my personal message for you. Enjoy your favorite drink with your Klima mug. Self-love drink recipe. All right, so there's a self-love drink recipe. Okay, 1 sachet of your favorite drink, hot water. You may add ice after. One wide smile, 3 bright and hopeful eyes, 3 things that you are thankful for. All right, there you go. Okay, try this and you'll be happier in just 1, 2, 3. Mug love reminders: do not scrub or wipe hard on the vinyl. Wash immediately with warm water after use. Tap with a clear cloth to dry. There you go. And there. You are loved extraordinarily, very blessed, and appreciated. There you go. Did you see that? All right. So followed by the Klima waterproof pet stickers. Girl stickers celebrating diversity and self-love. Open it. Ta-da! So there are different ladies, okay, that represent different kinds of women. Again, inclusivity is basically the theme, one of the themes, okay, of this kit. Okay, let's continue on. Okay, this one says be silly. Okay, so this is doubts, fears, and anxiety lacquer notebook. Okay, so it's a mini notepad. Glue, seal, or cut here. Okay, and it's the same theme, Klima. So you can probably, okay, today is happy, angry, sad, okay, and anxious. All right, there are doubts, fears, and anxiety. How to use. So whenever you feel scared, doubtful, or anxious, get this little notebook and write everything down. You don't have to worry about people reading what you write, because after you write down your thoughts, you can seal away and glue the paper so you won't have to worry. After you glue or cut away what you wrote, mark the emotion that best describes how you feel at the moment. This practice can help you let go of your inner feelings and lock them away so they can't hurt you. Studies show that by just writing your feelings down, it's a good way to let go of the things that are holding you back. All right, so after writing down, Nizza said that you can just glue or seal or cut over there, like so, and then put down that, okay, whether the emotion that you feel or you felt, okay, in this note, and then after that, okay, or cut away, okay, cut away that one. Okay, it's like saying, I'm done with you, fear. I'm done with you, anxiety. Okay, I've already put you down and you're no longer in me. All right, so that's a nice way, okay, to actually, visualize letting go of your fears and anxiety and everything that is negative. All right, and the last one, okay, is the Klima affirmations and journal prompts. Okay, So this is a face mask case. Okay, it houses your affirmations and journal prompts. Use it as a mask case and put your prompts elsewhere, or just keep them here if it's all up to you. Inside you'll find affirmations that you can display using your easel. There are 5 journal prompts at the back of each affirmation. Did I mention that Puzzle is an Pluzzle is an eco-friendly shop? They try their best to love Mother Earth one order at a time. So it says, we hope to find your second uses for the packaging provided. As you can see, these are the packaging, and it's really, really super nice. You can still definitely repurpose or reuse as part of, again, maybe your packaging material or what have you in the future. Okay, so I am enough. Okay, what do you think is lacking for you to be truly happy? So these are your affirmations. Okay, and at the back, it will give you, as was mentioned, okay, so it will give you journal prompts at the back. Okay, so this is like if you don't know what to write, okay, just get one of those affirmations. Okay, like for today, maybe I am enough. Okay, if you don't know what to say about why I am enough, okay, it gives you a prompt at the back. Like this one says, what do you think is lacking for you to be truly happy? These 5 things that you have that makes you complete, and so on and so forth. So I am loved. I am blessed. I accept myself. I forgive myself. I am worthy. My weaknesses are my strengths. I have flaws, but I'm perfect. My feelings are valid, and self-love isn't selfish. All right. So it comes with these affirmations that can hopefully help you find that inner peace, okay, that this kit really wants to espouse. Again, it celebrates you, self-love, diversity, loving yourself no matter who or what you are. All right, so there you go. So this is, again, Klima Kit from Pluzzle by Nizza. All right, so I hope that you like this kit, and if you've liked what you've seen so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and also head on to Pluzzles by Nizza. Okay, her store or her shop is also on the description down below. I hope that you have enjoyed another unboxing episode here at Mommy Guide Inc. Till next time, see you and have a blessed day!